Some says we cannot go back in times, we cannot capture time. But no, it is the photo which helps us to capture emotions, to capture time, to capture moments. And to celebrate the journey of photographers, their contribution to the society, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has brought the National Photo Awards for these photographers. And to discuss about these National Photographer Awards, we have with us to discuss Roli Mahendra Verma, Director, Photo Division. फोटोग्राफी अवार्ड्स फोटोग्राफर्स के कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए दिया जाता है. इसमें किस तरह से मिनिस्ट्री ये फोटोग्राफी अवार्ड्स को देखता है और किस तरह से इनका सहयोग होता है फोटोग्राफर्स के प्रति?
नेशनल फोटोग्राफी अवार्ड्स ये कंट्रीब्यूशन फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए है फ्रॉम द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. मिनिस्ट्री इसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. मिनिस्ट्री के ही सहयोग से ये सारा प्रोग्राम इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे होता है. दिस ईयर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी हैव our chief guest as Chief Justice of India. That itself speaks volumes about the intensity, about the growth of National Photography Awards. And Ministry of Information Broadcasting, that includes our secretary, additional secretary, our joint secretary. They have contributed immensely in this award, in organizing it and in making it a success.
Ma'am, can you highlight on the journey of these awards since the time it has been incorporated, and अभी किस तरह से ये फोटो अवार्ड्स को आप देखते हैं?
The National Photography Awards, they actually started in the year 2010. Basically, it started due to the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Photo Division. Photo Division of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting celebrated 50 years in 2010. Then the ministry decided that we should have a National Photography Awards. That was the basis so that we can showcase the extraordinary talent of photographers that we are having in India, because they are performing, at the national level as well as the international level. This year we are having Lifetime Achievement Awards. Along with that, we have a National Photographer of the Year Award for professional category as well as in amateur category. Besides these Professional Photographer of the Year and Amateur Photographer of the Year, we have special mention awards also. One thing I would like to also highlight through this platform, in this Professional Photographer of the Year category, the theme is women empowerment. And for Amateur Photographer of the Year, we had given the theme of Indian culture.
So, was there any specific reason behind these themes, ma'am, or do you have such kind of themes every year?
Not any specific reason, but we try to give specific categories, specific themes every year, so that photography is a profession in which some photographers excel in, say, wildlife, some in Indian culture, so that if every year there are various themes, then various photographers are able to showcase their talent on this platform.
मैम, फ़ोटो डिवीज़न का बहुत बड़ा सहयोग रहा है हमारे हिस्ट्री को भी लेके. अगर आप देखते हैं तो हम लोग हिस्ट्री को भी फ़ोटोज़ के थ्रू देख सकते हैं एंड चेरिश करते हैं. सो इसमें मिनिस्ट्री का अभी तक का किस तरह का सहयोग रहा है, और व्हाट अबाउट द फ्यूचर प्लान्स ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री टुवर्ड्स फ़ोटो डिवीज़न?
Photo division, I can say that is the custodian of history of India, because it is having photographs of our freedom movement, of our independence, everything it is there. And Ministry of Information and Broadcasting always highlights this thing and always tries to give due credence to Photo Division for the role that they play and as custodian of history of Indian photographs of Indian culture.
मैम, अभी कुछ डिजिटाइजेशन पे भी कुछ चल रहा है इन फोटो डिवीज़न, तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
This is a modern age. Everything is getting computerized. So Photo Division is also in the process of digitizing all the photographs that they have all through these years. Since it's more than 50 years of its existence, the photographs that Photo Division is having, we are in the process of digitizing it. It gives a platform for all the photographers in India so that they can showcase their photographs.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. With lots of innovations, lots of new activities, lots of new things. the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting bringing every time new things into the photo division so that it can keep up to the challenges of the technological transformation. And with this, we give best wishes from social media wing to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and to the photo division for their third National Photography Award. Thank you.